Now, speaking of Samsung, I got this fun little faceless smart pet. I want you to scroll down, Willie Do, and just tell me what you feel when you see this right here. Where do you feel that? What part of your body do you feel that in?
Well, definitely in the loins.
In right there. That's where it gets you.
Man, these are freaky.
Yeah, those are very Black Mirror-ish, and their faces showcasing an exclamation point and a question mark. Is there anything scarier than an exclamation point and a question mark? That's the
Especially
scariest.
when it's red.
Scariest combination of potential characters. Maybe X, and X is also scary.
Yeah.
But it's the mix of excitement and confusion, which actually, from an artistic perspective, kind of meaningful in this particular design. Excitement around robots, but also confusion and fear of the unknown, which the question mark represents. I just put all that in there. It is just a concept. Of course, we are on Yanko Design. Shout out to Yanko. I think we featured some articles from here before. So this is just strictly a concept of a potential futuristic surveillance pet that you might have on your premises. See, the thing is, Will Do, I know how much you love that little dog of yours, Otis. I don't know if he's going to scare everybody. You know what I mean? He's a little small. He's 20 pounds, and he does not have an exclamation point, a question mark as his face.
No.
See, if I bump into this guy, I'm kind of curious what his capabilities are and who he's actually alerting. Now, as we all know, Samsung is not releasing this particular device. In fact, the robot they showed off at CES looked quite a bit friendlier and less dog-like.
Yeah.
But scroll down to the very last one. He thinks, the designer of this particular concept thinks that there's no need for them to have a head or a face, and that a screen makes more sense. But there is something, to me, terrifying about that particular silhouette.
It's one shape, too.
Oh, yeah.
It doesn't look mechanical.
Oh, it'll
Looks
get you
very,
all right.
synthetic.
It'll get you.